In this video, I will show you how to enable a Firefox extension in private browsing mode. To get started, open up the Firefox web browser. Once it's launched, look at the top right corner of your screen. Click on these three horizontal lines. This will bring up a menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll see several options listed on the left-hand side. Click on Extensions and Themes. Next, click on Extensions. Here, you'll find a list of all installed extensions. Now, choose the extension that you want to enable for private browsing mode. Click on it to access its settings. Scroll down until you see various options related to that extension. Among these options is one called Run in Private Windows. By default, this option is set to Don't Allow. To enable your chosen extension during private browsing sessions, simply switch it to Allow. Once enabled, this extension will now have access to your online activities while you're browsing privately. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled a Firefox extension in private browsing mode. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.